Hello guys, welcome to Random Fandom, and today I'm going to be showing you my temporary desk setup. Not quite moved into Alabama yet, bro. So I'm just having this temporary setup that I might use for making videos and stuff. So let's get on with the video. So right here we have my gaming chair. It's a green plastic lawn chair. Then we go over here, we got my laptop, which is all animated and all to the beat of the music on the screen. It's got a red glowing keyboard, but underneath it I got my cooling pad, which I put some RGB lights on that I got from eBay for really cheap. Yeah, I got like 3 feet of LED lights. It was supposed to be like 0.5 meters, I think it said, but it looks like it's about a meter. Here we got my gaming headphones, a shop light of a sort for lighting, and then here's some of my phones. But it's all on this 3D printed tablet and phone stand that I have. So if you saw that video like a few weeks ago about me printing something, well, that's what I printed out, is this dock theme. Yeah, I got 2 speakers here with a headphone jack, but that's not what you're hearing. Those are pretty cheap speakers. I actually got those for free. Here we got my tablet. It's on a mount and clips onto the desk. Here's my external hard drive. Down here I got my mouse, and then I got my Razer mouse pad, which I got on eBay for really cheap. And then this is my USB-C cable that I got also for like $1 or so on eBay. eBay sent me a coupon that I can buy $5 worth of stuff with. So I bought like 4 different items. I still have yet one of them that I'll be showing off, but I'll probably make a whole new separate video on all this stuff that I bought on eBay for really cheap, and I'll put links to the stuff I bought too, if they're still around. On around to the back here. This right here is my JBL Flip 4. It's my Bluetooth speaker, but you can also feed it with an audio cable, so that's what I'm doing now with my laptop. So that's the background music that you hear. Here's a shelf of stuff. I got my game controller here. This close hanger here is like, it's a mount that I can attach onto my game controller to mount phones on it. It's pretty ghetto. It's the ghetto shield. The ghetto NVIDIA shield. Scissors, rubber bands, a fidget spinner. Yeah, who doesn't have one, right? And this one also lights up too, so yeah. Going on, with the RGB stuff. Just plenty of RGB. Never have too much RGB. Here I got my fidget cube. It's basically a cube with a whole bunch of switches and stuff on it that you can fidget with. For cable management, well, I have this binder clip here. These work pretty well for cable management. You get a real big one, clip it onto your desk, put some wires in it, and that works pretty well for cable management. Yeah, that's the back of my telestand. You can't really see it all too well, so I'll grab a little flashlight. Perhaps. Alright, so there's the back of my laptop. You can see I put a custom logo on it. Yeah, it's 3D printed and velcroed on. Covers the Dell logo.
Cavalier.
And on the back of my tablet stand, I got my logo there too. And of course, I also put my logo right where the Dell logo would typically be on the Dell laptop at the bottom middle. Got my logo there. Also, my logo is on my hard drive. And yes, I made some stickers that I can stick on stuff. And I also have one on the back of my Razer phone, so you can see it there. But yeah, this is my temporary setup here. And of course on the floor here I got a steering wheel, a joystick, and some pedals. Also, that's my Moto E down there too, sitting on a box, but it's being used as a mesh network. That'll probably be another topic for another video. It's a great way to speed up and increase the coverage of your Wi-Fi in your house or whatever. But yeah, if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. And oh, by the way, I just launched this new merch line. You gotta check it out. You got Random Fandom Supreme Edition merch out right now at shop.spreadshirt.com/RandomFandomOfficial. You go there, there'll be links in the description, but you can get cases for your iPhone, you can get buttons that you can pin onto your backpack, get cups or bottles, backpacks, hoodies, bananas, shirts, and a whole lot of other good stuff on here. But yeah, that's something for you to check out, and if you buy something soon, you'll get $40. You get free shipping on a $40 order, so that's a pretty good deal. You should support my channel, you get good merch, and you get free shipping, so yeah, gotta buy something, you know. Alright, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.